Tuna with pasta. Here at home, there's nothing left. We will insert 500 grams of pasta and complete the pan with water. Next, we will add a teaspoon of salt. This recipe is very delicious and fast, and we will mix to leave cooking for 15 minutes and separate for later. Now, we're going to need an onion, and we're going to slice it into several small pieces. Be sure to make this recipe at home. And we will transfer to a pan with olive oil. My friends always ask me to teach how it is done, so amazing that the result is. And we always mix after adding in the recipe. Next, we'll add 170 grams of tuna. It is an amazing recipe, quick, easy, goes few ingredients, and best of all, it is delicious. There is no reason for you not to do it at your home. Now, let's add 400 grams of heavy cream. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Naomi Wend from Kenya. I'm glad you're enjoying our recipes. After that, we will add a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of paprika, and half a teaspoon of black pepper. This recipe is amazing, the result will surprise you. Then we'll add 3 garlic cloves. Teach your friend who likes pasta, I'm sure he'll love this recipe. Now, let's transfer the previously prepared pasta. Answer honestly, this recipe makes our mouths water. Using only a few ingredients present in everyday life, we can make a recipe much tastier than those sold in conventional restaurants. After that, we will add mozzarella to taste over the recipe. It's a simply amazing and delicious recipe. Make it at home and then come back here to tell me what you think. And let's cover the pan to cook for 10 minutes. And let's add parsley to taste on top. Tell me if you have any recipes with pasta, I'd love to know. People, I love this recipe. I'm sure you and all your family will like it too. I do it myself every weekend, and when I do nothing, my family loves it and asks me to do it forever. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for watching this video so far. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.